go-to channel for all things beautiful and stylish for your home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever dreamed of enjoying a delicious meal under the stars, feeling the warm breeze, or just escaping the four walls of your home, then this video is for you. We're diving deep into one of the fastest growing trends in home design, the backyard outdoor dining area. We're going to cover everything from the philosophy of alfresco dining to the absolute best decor ideas, including our top 10 best backyard outdoor dining area ideas from the photos you shared. Get ready to transform your backyard. So, what exactly is a backyard outdoor dining area? It's more than just a table and a couple of chairs dragged onto the grass. Fundamentally, it is a designated, intentional space in your backyard, patio, deck, or garden specifically designed for preparing, serving, and enjoying food outdoors. The key word here is intentional. This area is treated as an extension of your interior living space, complete with comfortable seating, proper lighting, and an atmosphere that encourages relaxation and socializing. It can range from a simple bistro set on a small balcony to an elaborate outdoor kitchen and fully covered dining pavilion. The goal is to seamlessly blend the comfort and style of indoor dining with the beauty and freshness of the outdoors, creating a secondary, highly functional entertaining space. It becomes a true outdoor room, used for everything from casual morning coffee to large dinner parties. The benefits of creating this dedicated outdoor space are manifold and extend far beyond simply having a different spot to eat. First and foremost is the mental and physical well-being boost. Studies consistently show that spending time outdoors reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and improves mood. Dining in the open air, surrounded by nature, allows you to literally breathe fresh life into your meals and conversations. Second, it dramatically increases your home's usable space and entertaining capacity. An outdoor dining area serves as an overflow for guests, making it easy to host larger gatherings without crowding your indoor dining room. Third, it's a massive value add to your property. A beautifully designed, well-appointed outdoor room is one of the most sought-after features for homebuyers today, providing a significant return on investment. Finally, it promotes a healthier lifestyle by encouraging you to grill, use fresh ingredients, and enjoy your food at a more relaxed pace. It truly turns routine meals into memorable experiences. Decorating your outdoor dining area to achieve that sought-after good look involves establishing a cohesive design that balances durability with style. Start with the foundational elements. Choose a clear boundary for the space, whether it's a patio area, a pergola, or even a large outdoor rug to define the zone. Lighting is perhaps the most crucial element for atmosphere. Forget harsh floodlights. Instead, opt for layers of ambient lighting like string lights or fairy lights, candles and hurricane lamps, and stylish lanterns. This creates a soft, inviting glow perfect for evening meals. Next, introduce textiles. Outdoor-grade rugs, cushions, and table runners add color, texture, and comfort, instantly making the space feel more like an indoor room. Don't neglect the centerpiece. Use planters with fresh herbs, colorful flowers, or sculptural elements to bring life to the table. Most importantly, ensure your furniture choice reflects the overall style of your home, whether it's rustic wood, sleek metal, or woven wicker, to maintain visual harmony between your indoor and outdoor spaces. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here are the compilation of the top 10 best backyard outdoor dining area ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Modern pergola and poolside oasis. This design exemplifies sleek, modern entertaining. The dark, bold lines of the black aluminum pergola frame the dining and grilling area, creating a striking visual contrast against the light patio and brilliant blue pool. The natural wood elements in the dining table and woven light fixtures add warmth, while the bright cobalt planters provide a perfect pop of color. It's a highly defined, luxurious zone that seamlessly integrates dining with poolside relaxation. 2. Indoor-outdoor deck extension. This is the ultimate seamless transition. The use of large folding glass doors allows the interior dining and living rooms to merge completely with the spacious wooden deck. The simple, low-profile outdoor sectional and string lights create a contemporary, relaxed vibe. This design effectively doubles the entertaining space and is ideal for homes that prioritize open-concept living. 3. Enchanted Woodland Alfresco. Our top pick is the ultimate escape. Set deep within a shaded, wooded area, this design uses minimal furniture. A simple white table and wicker chairs, to let the natural setting shine. A soft outdoor rug anchors the space, while vintage lanterns and a single macrame hanging add bohemian charm. This arrangement beautifully captures the quiet, rustic magic of truly dining with nature. 4. Contemporary Wood and Stone Sanctuary. A masterclass in modern minimalist design. The warm, dark wood ceiling and wall create a sense of intimacy and luxury. The long, sleek dining table with minimalist white chairs contrasts beautifully with the raw materials of the stone patio and gravel landscape. Strategic, low-level lighting highlights the architectural elements and the surrounding xeriscaping, offering a dramatic and chic dining experience. 5. Mediterranean Loggia Charm. Evoking a classic sun-drenched European feel, this space features a covered loggia with a heavy timber pergola and wrought iron sconces. The stone dining table is paired with comfortable striped chairs, creating an elegant resort-like atmosphere. The opening frames a stunning view of a distant pool and lounge area, making it a highly sophisticated and private outdoor dining room. 6. Classic suburban patio with defined zones. This expansive patio is a model for maximizing functional space. It clearly defines separate areas for dining, lounging, and grilling. The raised patio, paved with neutral stone, is bordered by lush, structured greenery that adds privacy and color. The large umbrella provides necessary shade for the dining set, making it an ideal family-friendly space for daytime meals and barbecues. 7. Magical Secret Garden Dining. Pure romance and drama. This intimate setting is created under a dense canopy of vines and twinkling string lights, transforming the space into an ethereal dining haven. The dark wood table and simple chairs are surrounded by lush greenery and accented by candles and reflective mirrors, creating a cozy, secluded, and highly atmospheric spot for late-night dinners. 8. The Covered Grill and Fireside Retreat. This idea focuses on an all-season, functional outdoor room. The sturdy wooden pavilion with exposed beams provides excellent shelter, centered around a brick fireplace and built-in grill station. The circular dining table promotes easy conversation, nestled close to the cooking zone for convenience. The surrounding flagstone path and lush grass create a natural, inviting feel, making this a perfect spot for year-round gatherings. 9. Rustic Mediterranean Fiesta. This area is all about texture and organic form. The rugged, light stone wall with built-in niches provides a unique backdrop, contrasted by the stunning organic rootwood dining table and rustic metal chairs. A large disco ball adds an element of whimsical surprise and sparkle. This look is perfect for the homeowner who wants a dining space that feels like a unique, exotic retreat. 10. Cozy Courtyard Fireplace Focus. Ideal for smaller, enclosed spaces, this courtyard focuses on verticality and warmth. The impressive stone fireplace serves as the dramatic focal point, complete with a classic clock and mantel decor. The square wooden dining table, surrounded by comfortable chairs and stylish area rugs, creates a grounded, social center. Potted plants line the perimeter, adding softness to the stone walls. Wow, what a journey! From the serene woodland escape to the chic modern deck, these 10 ideas prove that your outdoor dining area can be as stylish, functional, and inviting as any room in your house. The main takeaway is that by being intentional about your design, focusing on quality furniture, layered lighting, and comfortable textiles, you can create a truly spectacular outdoor sanctuary. If you feel inspired to create your own backyard masterpiece, let us know which of these top 10 backyard outdoor dining area ideas was your favorite. Drop the number in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more incredible decor tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy decorating, and we'll see you outside.